Drone Crashes Volume 9 is brought to you by Angry Wives.
You son of a bitch!
What?
You just f***ed up the car!
Did I hit the car?
Yeah, go look at it!
What is this thing? Is it dead? Perhaps another SWAT to be sure. And another. This is a curious creature. Perhaps it is just playing dead for my benefit. But I must be certain. And again! Oh, yes, it's dead, all right.
All right, he's going for it. Yep.
The Audi Q5 Hybrid offers steering guidance when maneuvering into perpendicular or parallel parking spaces. But it can't help you become a better drone pilot. Oh yeah, this is awesome! Aw. All right, this'll be easy. Just fly over to my car window and hand catch it. Or simply lower it down to me. Yeah, that's a much better plan. I just need to avoid these wires. Yep. Wow, okay, back to a simulator for a while.
Grid 444.59.
Gạt 掉下去，你要手放平啊！下去了，塞烂了，干！
All right, don't hit the wires, don't hit the wires, don't hit the... Well, he didn't hit the wires, did he? First time in manual mode. Ooh, this is a lot harder than I thought. I can save it. I'm still flying. I'm good. Just gotta get further away from the ground. Yeah, that's better. Uh-oh. I can't change the camera angle for some... Oh, no. No. When you're first learning to fly a drone, one of the things that is hard to learn is the difference between yaw and roll. Luckily, there are plenty of trees to remind you to keep practicing. Another thing to remember is, in order to get great cinematic shots, location and time of day is very important. You can worry about how to land the drone another time. Here's a pro tip. Always keep an eye on your battery percentage. You could be laser focused on getting that great shot and forget that at some point your DJI product will want to return home.
The two quads collided. This one, look at the bar underneath the camera.
Look
and
at that.
The lens is completely gone.
If this were a traffic accident, I think that would be your fault.
I was over the limit, sir.
Oh, we're just taunting the trees, aren't we? Hopefully one won't decide to reach up and... God, trees are dicks.
That's possible.
Auto landing is a great feature of modern drones. Most of the time. Well, looks like we're flying with Carl. And crashing with Carl. This is beautiful. Oh, man.
Flying the GoPro Hero 11 Black. Yep. Thing see it.
I thought the yaw and the yaw won. I thought the yaw and the yaw won. This is Caraway Hospital in Birmingham, Alabama. A great place to fly FPV. But if you're not careful, you might meet Rebar McIntyre. This is a job perfectly suited for drones. Roof and gutter inspection. Looks like the walls are still good as well. Children are the best, aren't they? Such a blessing. They enrich your life, offer unconditional love, and remind you that perhaps you should stock up on condoms. Oh, kids, you can't murder them. No, you can't. Flying sideways is a perfect way to film locations like this. Be sure to have a spotter, though, because those 20-story buildings will jump out at you sometimes. I'm a pole man. Yeah, I'm a pole man. Oh, I'm a pole man. Yeah, I'm a pole man. Yeah.
It looks good in S1. We're coming forward with the side stick. Oh, looks good. Roger. I've got a blowout. Vapor 3. Get your pitch to 0. Pitch is out. I can't hold altitude. Correction. Alpha hold is off. Trip select is emergency. Flight comm. I can't hold it. She's breaking up. She's breaking.
I don't know how many times I have to warn you guys about trees. Oh, they look pretty, but they can take only so much proximity flying before they finally branch out and drop you from the sky. Gonna try a quick inverted yaw spin here. All right, next day, different trick, but same damn tree.
I'm using the DJI Air 2S drone for this, and it's really great because it has obstacle avoidance. It senses things that are around and it tries to avoid them. The one downside of this is it doesn't see anything sideways, like trees.
What was that guy just saying about side sensors? Oh, yeah. They can be really helpful. Isn't it great how construction sites leave excavators parked so you can power loop them? Or at least try to power loop them? The word fail-safe is kind of a misnomer because there doesn't seem to be anything safe about falling out of the sky. What happened to you? Why are you getting all moody? Huh? You're supposed to be up there. Oh, now this is cool. But will they be able to find it? I guess we'll have to wait and see. Oh, this Avata is hauling arse. However, there are a lot of, trees. Wait a minute, wait. Wow, a narrow escape. Well done.
From 44 yards. On the way. And he missed it.
Sure, The sky peeking up from behind the trees is beautiful, but I think I'll get me a nice close-up of the grass. You got this, bud. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just want to get a shot of that white hanging plant thing, I guess. There we go. Okay, all right. Nothing like a nice, gentle, and smooth ride between two buildings. This will be a perfect cinematic reveal of that blue building in the distance. Oh, yes, I am indeed a brilliant... If you're flying over expensive cars that aren't yours, be sure that there's nothing that could bring your drone down on top of them. Even if you're in an area with 0 trees, there's always a chance that something... And that would be... This cat doesn't seem too concerned about the noisy flying thing in front of him. That is, until you get a bit too close. Oh, wow. Are they going to try to fly through their legs? Hey, I think there's something wrong with your drone. Oh, neato. I love tiny whoop flights through interiors. This is a great space too. Lots of stuff to navigate in and around. Clearly the home of a professional photographer and an amateur ping pong player. Well, that's what you get for sending me vertical video.
Hey, this guy's flying sideways.
I hope nothing bad'll happen.
Me too.
Yeah, that will be completely expected.
Here we have young Samuel. He's learning how to fly. Give us a wave if you're about to crash into yourself. All right.
Mayday! Mayday! I got bogey on my tail! I don't know where this guy came from. He's riding me good. I need your help.
Sit tight, Cloud Pony. I'm en route.
My dogs are barking. I need backup. Hey, Rick?
Yeah?
I got bogey on my 6.
Sure thing. Let me get that for you, buddy.
Very nice location for a little FPV flying. Watch that tree. Wow, that was really close. Why, oh why, must we taunt the trees? Because when you think you've avoided one, there's always another one that'll smack you down. No. Just accept defeat. It's okay. Sometimes trees can hypnotize you, forcing your drone on a direct path to utter destruction. Other times, you just throw caution to the wind and simply hope that trees won't jump up and grab your drone. But alas, they always do.
And I'll bring it back.
disconnected.
Well, it didn't stop as soon as I thought it would.